Hi, my name's Hubert Centers. Let's take a look at a way to figure out if the market is going to continue higher or lower off of a big breakout. Now, these are called professional gaps, and what we're about to cover will work equally well with both stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, all that good stuff. If it moves, it's a technical analysis trade, it should work. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at what happened on this gap up. So 629, so 628, it closed here and it gapped up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at where it closed. That's where it closed. Here's where it opened. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to draw a Fibonacci line from this close to this open. Okay. And then what it tends to like to do is retrace about 50% of that and then cruise higher. So we're going to see how that works out. And you can also figure out what the market's trying to tell you it wants to do today. So let's take from the low here to that open. Did it retrace 50%? No. That means that the market is very, very strong. It didn't retrace at least 50%. And in fact, it closed on its high going into the end of that day. So now you take that information and you go, okay, now what are we looking at? We're looking at another trade where we're going to take the exact same information and we're going to go from that low to that high. Okay. So now we're going from 0.1 to 0.2, and we should retrace down to this area, which would be 12,688 to 12,693. We haven't retraced down there, so that's strong signal. Second thing, or I should say third thing you can do is you can put a baseline at the low, and you can see if the low is holding, and you can put a baseline at the high. Now, one thing, if we zoom in here, you can see, this is very important. So this is where we closed at the previous day, almost on the dead highs, pulled back just a little bit. And then when you came into today's action, you can see the price action slammed into that resistance, and now it's sold off. So that is good resistance. Now we've got good support down here. So we've got our resistance in this area at 12,837, and we have our support at 12,693. We also have a 50% retracement in this zone about here in this area. So if we were to sell off, we would like to pick up along here and sell it into this 12,837 area. Like I said earlier, this will work with stocks, options, bonds, forex, futures, all that good stuff. It's technical analysis at its core, and it really doesn't matter what you're looking at. You can do this stuff with just about anything. Good luck, hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video.